Are you ready to stop chewing your smoothies and start sipping them? Choosing the right blender can be the difference between a chunky mess and a perfect blend. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Ninja. From the super powerful Mega Kitchen System to the lightning-fast Nutri Ninja personal blenders, they promise power, versatility, and smooth results.
Product number 1, Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender. The Ninja Fit QB3001SS packs a 700-watt motor into a compact base with two 16-ounce cups and leak-resistant spout lids. It emphasizes versatility with pulse blending, ice crushing, and nutrient extraction modes. And it ships with a recipe guide to spark ideas for smoothies, sauces, and frozen drinks. The design prioritizes a portable, on-the-go workflow, letting you blend directly into the 16-ounce cups and snap on a spout lid for travel. Technical highlights include BPA-free parts and a single blending speed labeled as a push-to-blend interface, which keeps operations simple for quick tasks. Performance-wise, the 700-watt motor is strong for a personal blender, effectively handling ice and frozen ingredients. But the single-speed design means it lacks fine-tuned control for delicate greens or nut milks.
Product number 2, NutriBullet Personal Blender. NutriBullet's iconic design emphasizes quick, one-step operation. Twist to blend with an extractor blade and a 24-ounce cup. The 600-watt motor provides dependable performance for everyday smoothies, sauces, and light processing tasks. It ships with a 24-ounce cup, to-go lid, lip ring, and a compact base, making it a staple for users who prioritize simple setup and easy cleaning. The goal is straightforward blending with a focus on nutrition extraction from fruits and vegetables. In practice, NutriBullet's design excels at convenience and cleaning. Blades detach for thorough rinsing, and cups are top-rack dishwasher safe. The device's performance shines with soft to moderately fibrous ingredients and light green smoothies. Product number 3, Koios Smoothie Blender. Koios positions itself as a high-power personal blender with a 900-watt motor and no BPA cups, offering two 22-ounce cups and two to-go lids. The unit emphasizes speed and flexibility, with an upgraded 6-leaf stainless steel blade and a detachable blade assembly for easier cleaning. It includes a recipe book and a heat dissipation strategy, cooling fan and non-slip feet to support prolonged blending sessions. The portable cups and locking mechanism are designed to encourage on-the-go use without sacrificing power. Performance-wise, the Koios model leverages higher wattage and a robust blade to deliver smooth blends quickly, including crushed ice and frozen fruit typical of smoothies.
Product number 4, Hamilton Beach Portable Blender for Shakes. The Hamilton Beach 51172 is a budget-friendly, ultra-portable option with a 14-ounce BPA-free travel cup and stainless steel blades. It emphasizes one-touch blending in a slim form factor, making it ideal for commuters, dorms, and small kitchens. The 14-ounce cup size prioritizes portability over batch size, and the unit includes a dishwasher-safe jar and lid, which simplifies cleanup. The cord length is standard, and the base remains compact for easy storage. In use, this model shines for personal, on-the-go drinks. It handles ice and frozen fruits reasonably well for a small serving, though you should manage expectations about texture and thickness with smaller volumes.
Product number 5, Magic Bullet Blender. The Magic Bullet MBR-1101 is a versatile 11-piece system with a 250-watt motor, a cross-blade, multiple cups, lids, and a 10 recipe guide. It's designed for chopping, blending, grinding, and whipping, making it suitable for quick smoothies, sauces, and small food prep tasks. The 6-speed capability provides some versatility despite the modest motor, and the compact footprint is ideal for tight countertops. The set includes a variety of accessories to support a range of tasks beyond smoothies. Performance-wise, the Magic Bullet excels in quick, small blend tasks and is particularly convenient for users who want a multi-function tool in a compact package. The 250-watt motor is modest but effective for soft ingredients and light blending, and the included cups and lids expand on-the-go versatility.